In this section, we are going to discuss coating procedures using TecnoCoat's Depot Series machines. First, set the argon shield gas cylinder by opening the holding device in the back of the carriage. Make sure the cylinder is securely held by tightly closing the holder. Connect the applicators and couplers to the designated receptors. Next, clamp the ground cable to the base metal or workpiece nearest the work area. Make sure to keep good electrical conduction between the clamp and work areas. Plug in the power supply and turn on the main switch. Then, turn on the spark switch and select applicator A or B using the selection switch. Turn on the switch of the applicator and adjust the shield gas flow to 2 to 3 liters per minute after attaching the appropriate electrode. For details, please read the reference materials for electrode selection for coating and relations of electrode size, rotation, speed, and surface roughness. The electrode should extend no more than 20 millimeters from the tip of the protective cover or shield tube. The effective gas shield is compromised when the electrode extends more than 20 millimeters from the tip. Select the best variables for the optimum coating efficiency and quality. Next, select the maximum capacitor using the high or low power switch and appropriate output power using the output switch. Finally, select the proper frequency using the frequency knob. For selection of the best operating conditions, please refer to the relations of surface roughness and setting of output frequency. Turn on the applicator and adjust the speed of rotation. Please refer to relations of electrode size, rotation, speed, and surface roughness. Prepare the workpiece prior to coating work for best results. Clean off oil and grease in the work area with a piece of clean cloth. Oxide scales and fatigued materials from the work surface should also be removed using a whetstone, sandpaper, or Scotch-Brite. Wear correct protective gear to shield your eyes from ultraviolet light before starting the coating operation. The coating is accomplished by moving the tip of the electrode in a spiral motion under very light pressure. Do not forcefully press the electrode on the work face. Maintain an angle of 30 to 60 degrees between the electrode and the work face for optimum results. When the layer of coating is finished, then the next layer should be applied at a 90-degree angle to the previous layer. Upon completion of the coating, make sure no uncovered areas are found. If there are uncovered areas, touch up those areas. Reduce the frequency, the output or power levels when the tip of the electrode becomes red. If coating is applied while the electrode tip is red, different compounds may be introduced into the coating than those of the electrode material. Make sure the tip of the electrode is not red to obtain optimum quality of the coating. Following are special techniques to control the coating thickness and roughness. Normally, a low power output setting will be used when a smooth coating surface is desired, resulting in a thinner coating thickness. To obtain a thicker coating, use a high power output setting, but note that surface roughness will increase. To obtain a thicker and smoother surface, use a high power output setting at the beginning. Then reduce the power output and frequency. The second procedure will reduce the surface roughness by removing peaks with sparking. Please refer to the relations of surface roughness and settings of output frequency. The coating procedures are now complete. Please make sure to refer to cautions in the operating manual and use correct coating procedures for a safe operation.